Hi guys, today we're learning about how to make a headband. Let's get started. All you need is pom-poms, pipe cleaners, and a hot glue gun right here. Let's get started. So first, what we're going to do here is we're going to lay the pipe cleaner down here on the table, and then you're going to glue the pom-poms onto the pipe cleaner. Now be careful because hot glue is very hot, so ask a grown-up for help when you're using it. So anyways, you're going to glue the pom-pom like this. And sometimes hot glue can be very sticky sometimes. So anyways, glue hot glue like this. And then you put it onto the pom-pom like this. And it can add more colors, and you can do different designs and patterns as well, like this. I'm doing a rainbow pattern for my headband. Continue adding pom-poms until the headband is full, like this. Keep it going. I'm going to add my last pom-pom, and there we go. And that is how you make a pom-pom headband. So you have to let the hot glue dry, and once it dries, you can put it on and wear it like a headband. Here's also another example of a headband. I also made another one with sparkly pom-poms, and they're all like a rainbow color. Like I said, you can use different colors and make different patterns and designs. You can do whatever you want, and it's a lot of fun. Well, thanks so much for watching. See you soon in another video. Bye!